glasses on. Next step is brushing my teeth. Obviously, I use an electrical toothbrush called Fairywill. They were nice enough to send this over so I can review it for you guys. I got this charger for it, and then I chose the one with 4 different head brushes. I basically got 3 of the actual like toothbrush heads that you would use to brush your teeth, and then I got this. Just gets right in those grooves of your teeth so you can get all the junk and food out of your teeth. But yeah, let's get brushing. Honestly, I think Fairywill is such a good electric toothbrush, and if you guys want to purchase it, I will leave the link down below for you guys. Highly recommend this. This is a great product and very affordable. So thank you, Fairywill, for sending this product over for me.